That's a spring. We've already cleaned it and oiled it, and it's ready to go. This is our nicely polished barrel. The spring can be pretty lethal, so you'll have to be careful when you're winding it. And you just keep winding it round. Not easy to do, but if you haven't got a spring winder, this is how you do it. Almost done. There we go. All inside. Now put the winding arbor through the hole. Then we'll tighten it. Now put the cap on the back of the barrel. Line the base up and put it in a vise and turn it very slowly. Release the vise, turn the barrel a quarter of a turn while holding the piece that you've pushed in. Turn it a quarter of a turn in the other direction and tighten the vise. Use a smooth jaw vise or a vise that has copper jaws inserts. Not quite. There we go, neatly inside. That's our finished product. Now the spring's back in the sleeve, pull the end of the spring out a little bit and then put the sleeve into the barrel and turn it until the hole connects with the hook. There you go. Hold the barrel with your hand and wind the spring. Remove the sleeve and wind the barrel spring into the barrel. Remove the winding arbor from the spring winder. Now we'll put the back plate on. Now put the cap on the back of the barrel. Line the base up and put it in a vise and turn it very slowly. Release the vise, turn the barrel a quarter of a turn while holding the piece that you've pushed in. Turn it a quarter of a turn in the other direction and tighten the vise. Use a smooth jaw vise or a vise that has copper jaws inserts. Not quite. There we go, neatly inside. That's our finished product.